Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to make this drink, Shark Attack. Alright, the ingredients for this amazing drink is tequila, UV cherry, blue curacao, and grenadine.
Wow, you really excited. Goddamn.
I'm so excited. Did you see the drink? It looks really cool. I cannot wait to put my lips on it.
Sound real sexual. We'll go with that. Grenadine and UV cherry, equal parts. Go ahead.
Red. Nice.
Perfect, dude. That was excellent. Now, we take this glass, cover it with this glass like that, right? Go all the way up. See that? Lay it flat, and then flip it. Okay? So now we put this on the side. Tequila, go ahead, pour.
Tequila.
Okay, that's good. Right there. Blue, curacao, curacao. A little bit.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Right there.
Wow, loving it.
Sprite, pour. Stop. Perfect. Because it's carbonated, we're not going to shake it. Use that spoon.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Lord Jesus. And just twist it like that to stir it. Stir it a little bit. Try to pour directly on top of that shot glass.
All right.
Just like that. Perfect.
Oh my God. Yay.
And there you have it! The Shark Attack
Yes.
by Kenneth Rathburn. Are you ready for this one?
Yes.
Okay, the way this works, you pull that out, okay? Just pull it straight out. And so the grenadine and the UV cherry flows out, giving you the look of something that's been bitten by a shark.
Oh my gosh.
And pull it straight up. Do it slow. Right, keep going. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful.
My bloody. Okay. I think it's gonna taste like a cherry.
Okay.
Do you think it's gonna be too strong?
No, it's a sweet drink. It's definitely a sweet drink. You're supposed to do it in one go.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a shot?
Well, that's yeah, it's a shooter. Well, yes, it's a bomb style shot.
Oh my God, that's huge. Okay, wait, I should finish the whole thing in one shot. Okay.
Okay.
Seriously.
You didn't stop like twice. Like 3 times.
Oh. Seriously, you have to. Are you joking with me?
No, I'm not joking with you. It's a bomb. A bomb is you drop it in and you go. This one is a reverse bomb because you kind of pulling the bomb. You're pulling it out. Okay.
That was really yummy. That was like a cherry bomb.
Okay.
Cherry bomb.
Don't try to act and be all friendly and smiley. You messed up, okay? You stopped like 22 times, okay? You get a failing grade, goddammit. If this was a drinking college, you failed, okay? I'm the dean. I'm kicking your ass out.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, apologize to them, okay?
I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know. I was thinking he's joking with me because the shot's supposed to be a little one. Okay, I'm really an experienced drinker.
Okay, all right.
I'm sorry. I'll get better.
Yeah, she'll get better, okay? But you failed this freaking class, okay?
Tastes amazing.
I know. So it tastes even better in terms of what you like without the vodka. You know what I mean? With more banana. It'll be a nice mix.
I love root beer and I love bananas, and it's just like
Yeah, it's a good.
so good.
That's a good drink.